Hi guys, the Dream here. Big Hit decided today that to drop second MV for hobby mixtape, Airplane, and I wasn't home, so that's the delay, and I'm not in the usual setup because I'm in my child's room. So yeah, that's that. And I'm excited. I want to see it right away, so let's just not talk much and let's just listen, let's just see. We already know the song, but yeah, it will be nice to see. I got the feeling that the second one will be Airplane, to be honest, so I'm excited because he said in his V Live that it was a special one with members and that it means a lot to him. Okay, then let's just start and see what is this MV all about. 3, 2, 1, and go. View of Seoul, I think. Ooh, wow. Wow. Ooh. It's in the car in the airport. Ooh. Ooh, Ravi! Wow. I love this hair on him, the curly hair. Ooh. What was this necklace? Oh. Wow, the scene. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love this look. Oh. You see the airplane? Wow. Nice. I love this. Ooh. In the clouds. Ooh. Wow, he's looking so good. Ooh. Again, this panoramic, yeah, the screen. They used it in Daydream too. Oh, why he throw out this necklace? Oh, I love this. Very simple but so elegant. I love it. Oh, I love that. Yes. Wow. Yay, I loved it. Wow, it really fits this song well. I love the curly look and all the panoramic screen things and oh, and in the cloud scene. Wow. That was amazing. Okay, I'm really happy that they did 2 videos like with R.M. and Sugas. It was a surprise. We didn't know till the end if it will be 2 videos or not. But yeah, definitely a surprise and very pleasant one. Oh my goodness. Yay, J-Hope. I'm so proud. I'm really proud, and thank you once again for this. I'm listening to Hope World all the time. It's just amazing song, and yeah. If I have to choose the favorite, it will be Hope World from the mixtape, but all of them I love, and yeah, it's on repeat. All the mixtape is on repeat. Okay, guys, then that's all from me today, and thank you for watching, and please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to the next time. Love you. Bye.